Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top story, we start with breaking news from Juba. South Sudan government is defending the detention of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, saying it is a criminal case, not a political one. Machar has been under house arrest for almost 5 months. He was confined on March 26, 2025. The government said he is linked to deadly clash in Nasser County, Upper Nile State, but his supporters say this is an attempt to silence him before the next election. On Monday, a team from the African Union Peace and Security Council met with South Sudanese official Changkuoth Nyak, head of the high-level committee for the 2018 peace deal, say legal procedures are being followed. This is not political detention, it is a criminal matter. When someone is suspected of crime, the normal legal process is applied. Changkuoth Nyak also announced progress on security reform. He said a second group of unified force will start training in September and will be deployed by November, according to him. This will help prepare for the election in late 2026. But the opposition does not agree. They say the arrest is politically motivated and claim some officials are driven by personal grudge from the liberation struggle. An African Union Peace and Security Council delegation has completed a field mission to assess the situation in the country ahead of its planned national election in December 2026. The permanent representative of Ethiopia to the African Union and the United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, Ambassador Erut Zemene, was among the officials taking part in the mission. According to Ethiopian Minister of Foreign Affairs, the delegation held an in-depth dialogue with South Sudan's leader and stakeholder to get updated information on the security situation. During their visit, Council members met President Salva Kiir Mayardit, Foreign Minister Mande Samaya Kumba, and member of the high-level committee of the Transitional Council. They also spoke with the National Election Commission, the National Constitution Review Commission, and representatives from civil society organizations. The African Union delegation also visited the Africa Union Liaison Office in Juba, met with representatives of the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, known as RJMEC, an official from the United Nations Mission in South Sudan, or UNMISS. The field mission was led by Algeria, which currently holds the rotating chair of the African Union Peace and Security Council for the month of August. The Council is expected to issue a final communique at the end of its mission, summarizing its finding and recommendation for South Sudan path toward peace, stability, and democratic election. The African Union said it remained committed to supporting South Sudan as it prepares for election and work to strengthen security and governance. We will keep you updated as the Council releases its communique. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing, so when I upload a new video about South Sudan politics, you can be the first to get it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.